it's me Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. This week I wanted to share with you my staycation experience with Warehouse Hotel in Singapore. The first time I passed by this hotel, I've always wanted to check it out because of how different and unique the building looks compared to any other hotels in Singapore. So I did a bit of research of this boutique hotel. The Warehouse Hotel was built in 1895 along the Singapore River as part of the Straits of Malacca trade route. At the time, the area was hotbed of secret societies, underground activity, and liquor distilleries. Today, while much of the history has disappeared, the Warehouse Hotel has been meticulously restored as a modern 37-room boutique hotel focusing on heritage and local culture. I've always found this hotel very special to me, and now I understood why. Me and my bae decided to stay there for a night just to experience something different for a change. Since we haven't been able to travel, we had a great offer from Klook and grabbed this opportunity to check out this pretty hotel. First thing in the morning, we packed our bags and went to check in this beautiful hotel, and look at their lobby and bar. It's really captured my attention. It's a very modern and contemporary design. The staff were very friendly. I was walking around and taking videos of the hotel, and the staff approached me and offered to take photos with me. I think that was a very nice gesture. Check into our room. We've got a warehouse loft with skylight. It was quite a small room than what I expected from the picture I saw online. From what I know is that each warehouse loft is slightly different than the other, so it kind of depends on your luck somehow. We have a king-size bed which is so comfortable, and a Bang & Olufsen portable Bluetooth speaker available for us to hype up the atmosphere of our room. The bathroom features an industrial chic vanity with greyish marble tiling, as well as enclosed bathing area with reinforced shower facilities. Bathroom amenities are from New Zealand-based scent company Ashley & Co, and the shampoo and conditioner smells delicious. We've also got these Chinese coins as coupon for their complimentary cocktails at the lobby bar, and I think it's really nice they pay such attention to small details like this. Since the hotel is situated along the riverside, which is so close to Robertson Quay, we decided to go for a walk around that neighborhood and look for a nice place to lunch. We chanced upon this clean eating concept cafe called Characteristics and Cravings and decided to order some food and coffee for ourselves. Here we've got frittata and mushroom sandwich. I have to say their mushroom sandwich is the best I've ever had so far. After the lunch, we went to get a bottle of Moscato and chips and went straight back to our hotel. We sure did a lot of lazing on the bed in our room because the bed was so comfortable. When it's around the evening time, we both dressed up in white, and this beautiful white blazer I'm wearing is from Runaway the Labor. I have a try-on haul from Runaway the Labor up on my channel. You could check it out after this video. I pair it with a sheer black stockings and my favorite gold accessories from Sandre to complete the look. I also have a jewelry collections featuring my favorite gold accessories from Sandre and other brand as well. Make sure to check it out after this video. I will link it at the top right corner. Went down to their lobby bar where they serve cocktails inspired by 3 specific eras from their property's history: Spice Straight, Go Down, and Disco. First, we ordered the Forbidden Fruit for myself and the Golden Age for my bae. Both are gin-based cocktails, but my bae's one was much stronger. Honestly, both really great. We enjoyed it so much.
Yummy? How does it taste?
Not too strong, and with the touch of the pink sauce, it's really good. I could drink more. We also ordered another 2 cocktails to try, which are BB King and Barbarella. BB King is a banana whiskey based cocktail which was quite strong for me, and Barbarella is a hibiscus gin based cocktail because gin is my favorite. Oh, and this funny thing happened, my heels suddenly broken while I was walking, and the staff saw it and responded very quickly and brought a pair of hotel slippers for me.
Hey baby, you got a new shoes? What did you get? Show me your shoes. Ooh la la. What happened with your shoes?
This is fashion, don't you know that?
Anyway, we went back to our room and continued drinking with our bottle. Mostly my babe was drinking it because I was getting so tired and I fell asleep, leaving him drinking the rest of the bottle by himself. Next day morning, we woke up early and headed down to Pole for our breakfast. The breakfast comprises cold cut and cheese, pastries, salads with selections of juice, fresh coconuts, and coffee. We also ordered the Colonial chicken curry with prata and the herbal pork bone, both as our main course. Once we finished our breakfast, we headed back to our room to rest and pack our bags for the checkout. Overall, we both enjoyed a lot in the staycations. My babe loved the idea of it now. Initially, he did not know what staycation was because European they don't do that. So it was a nice short getaway for both of us during this COVID times. So yeah, that's all for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!